get into these lashes. Glamnetic Magnetic Lashes. What they are, what they aren't. I can tell you what they aren't is new. The Glamnetic is basically saying that they have pretty much reinvented it, made it more comfortable, and when I'm trying something new, I kind of have like a holistic approach to it. Like in a whole, how do I feel about this item? A lot of important things to me are ingredients, effectiveness, cost, accessibility, and routine. For ingredients, they're magnetic lashes. So they have small little magnets on the lashes, of course. But the main star of the brand Glamnetic Lashes is the liner. The liner, it seems like it's your typical liner, but it has a lot of iron oxide in it. And when I looked up iron oxide, it seems like it's just a simple chemical compound that's found in a lot of cosmetics. It's not toxic, it's non-irritant, all those other things. So that is what helps the magnets stick to your eye, well, the eyelashes. Effectiveness, actually putting on these lashes and applying the lash, I can tell you, it seems easy. If you are really good at applying liner, then it'll be good. The learning curve for the Glamnetic Lashes, I would say, is probably a little shorter than regular lashes. It's a little bit more forgiving. I do not necessarily like the liner that it comes with. I feel that the formula is just a little too watery, but at the same time, when it starts to dry down, it's really, really tacky. Like it gets everywhere. It gets on my fingers, it gets on my actual lashes, it gets on the Glamnetic lashes. So you can see that from what I noticed, it's magnetized but also still has that tackiness of regular lash glue. So you still have to wait for some drying to happen when you apply the liner before you pop the lash in. So when you're applying the lash, you have to be careful where you start. I try to start in the middle. You can readjust it up to a point, but again, to me, I still had issues as if I was applying regular lashes. When you finally do get the lash on, you start seeing some issues. There might be lifting towards your tear duct or lifting towards the end of the lid. They have these little lash anchors that really help you, I guess, help with the lifting, especially if you're wearing them for a really long time. Applying the lash anchors isn't that easy. It's probably harder to apply the lash anchor than to apply the actual liner, because the anchors, they're like these little lashes that are attached to a small magnet, and you actually have to put it under your eyelash, under the upper eyelash. So you put it under the upper eyelash and it kind of like sandwiches between the fake lash, your lash, and then you have the magnet. So once you start to try to put it in, it kind of just clips in. Sometimes you get it, and sometimes it clips in a little too far out where you can actually feel it every time you blink. That it started to annoy me. And when I actually had to apply the lashes for this video, I started to get like really annoyed. Like, okay, this is actually not that easy. Cost. Let's talk about exactly how much these lashes cost. I had to buy a bundle. In the bundle came 3 different lashes, the anchors, and the liner. There was no lash holder or little tweezers or scissors, and I paid over $100 for that. I feel the bundle should have included some scissors, a lash curler. I just felt like there should have been more in the bundle. The reason I bought the bundle is because I needed the black liner. Just because you buy lashes, the liner doesn't automatically come with the lashes. You buy them separately. The black liner during that time was sold out, and the only way that I could get the black liner with a lash was in a bundle. I don't know, go figure. So for me, that was a little pricey, but they do say that each set of lashes is good for up to 40 uses or 6 months. And I believe, like, with regular lashes, I'm not talking about like the high luxury $50, $60 lashes. I'm talking about, you know, the 6-pack you get from Walmart. Honestly, after the first or second wear, I don't think those lashes are still good. I know whenever I buy lashes, usually after the first wear, I'm ready just to throw it away. When it comes to where you can actually find these lashes, I bought the lashes on the website. So far, there are 2 places that I know of that you can buy the Glamnetic lashes. That's on their website and on Amazon. On Amazon, you can actually buy each individual pair of lashes, but always remember you need to get the liner as well. The lashes on Amazon, each pair is about $29.99. On Glamnetic, they kind of run specials, they run sales, so you can pay an average of $30 to upwards of $200 depending on which bundle you get. So whether or not I would incorporate this into my everyday, probably not. And that's for many reasons. So this is probably my 5th or 6th time putting on these lashes. When I take them off, especially if I've been wearing them a really long day, that my eyelashes are a little irritated. I did email Glamnetic about it, and that is one reason why I decided to buy magnetic lashes from an actual company instead of a wholesaler that doesn't really know the product, you know. I emailed them about, you know, questions of the irritation and everything, and they got back to me really fast. Customer service is great. Again, irritation for me occurs when I'm wearing them for a very long time, but that's just me. That doesn't mean that it's going to be irritating for you. Is this something I would continue to wear? Do I plan on buying another pair? Honestly, no. I still found it a bit fussy to put lashes on. And when it comes to makeup, I just can't be bothered with fussiness. Do they look good like you looking at me? Yes, but you can see that you have to be careful how you apply them. Like, I can tell that this one's just a little bit higher, probably because of how I started. And listen, I'm a consumer that's consuming. I'm curious. I like to try things. So if you're curious, buy one set. You don't need to get a bundle. Patch test and give it a go. As I said before, am I going to buy another pair? No, I'm just going to work with what I have here. And at the end of the day, I might just remove the magnets and just use the lashes as is. I don't know, I'm just that type of person. Sometimes when things don't work out, I try to just repurpose them and use them some way because this is my money, right? Yeah, I mean, these aren't uncomfortable. It's not like I'm blind, I can't see. They're not heavy. I can open my eyes fine. Yeah. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for the video in reference to these lashes. If you like this content, if you're into beauty, lifestyle, and motherhood, I'm your girl. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on. I'm coming at you with more videos. Bye.